Stop! Do not touch that! It is full of germs!
Sheldon, it is just a doorknob.
I read a big book about germs. Germs are tiny. They can make you sick. Now I have new rules. Wash your hands. Do not touch your face.
Sheldon, you cannot make rules for everyone.
No one touches my things. Germs are dangerous. I am protecting you.
Sheldon, Mima wants a hug.
No hugs. Hugs share germs.
Oh, okay, sweetie. Sheldon, you made Mima sad.
I did? But I was being smart.
Being smart is good, Sheldon. But being kind is important too.
I thought about germs. I did not think about feelings.
I am sorry, Mima. I will wash my hands, and then I will hug you.
That is my clever, kind boy.
Rule 1, wash your hands well.
Rule 2, do not touch your face. Rule 3,
Be clean and be kind.
The dentist uses a drill. Teeth have nerves. I am scared.
It does not hurt, Sheldon.
Hello, Sheldon. I am Dr. Kind. Today, I only count and clean your teeth.
Do you use the drill? Not today. Would you like to see my tools first?
yes. I like to know how things work.
This little mirror looks at your teeth. This water gives them a bath. Oh. That is logical. It is not scary. It is science.
Wonderful. Your teeth are strong. Brush 2 times every day.
I was scared, but knowing the facts made me brave.
See? The dentist helps you.
Rule 1, the dentist helps your teeth.
Rule 2, brush 2 times a day.
Rule 3, facts can make you brave. Here, one little candy.
An experiment. How much candy is too much? Sheldon, do not eat all of it. For science, I must taste many candies.
One more.
For data. Oh, my tummy hurts. My experiment has a problem. Sheldon, did you eat all the candy? Maybe. Yes. I ate a lot of candy. Thank you for the truth. Too much sugar gives you a tummy ache. My data is clear. Too much candy is bad.
The genius got a tummy ache.
I learned 2 things. Eat a little candy and tell the truth. Rule 1, eat only a little candy.
Rule 2, eat healthy food.
Rule 3,
always tell the truth.
Come, time for your checkup.
Hello, Sheldon. I am Dr. Ray. Let's see how you are growing.
Yeah?
First, stand tall for me.
I am 130 centimeters. That is good for my age.
Now I listen to your heart.
Is that a shot?
I do not like shots.
What?
Just one small shot to keep you healthy. It is quick.
Be brave, Sheldon. Squeeze my hand and count. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
All done. Oh,
That was fast. It did not hurt much.
You are healthy and strong, Sheldon. Well done.
Doctors and nurses help us. There is nothing to fear. Rule 1, doctors and nurses help us.
Rule 2, stay calm.
Count and breathe. Rule 3.
A small shot keeps you healthy.
Being smart and kind is the best.
He learned to be kind, brave, honest, and calm.
What do you do to stay healthy?
Play here, kids. I will sit on this bench. Stay where I can see you.
Okay, Dad.
Hello, little boy. I have candy. Do you want some?
No, thank you.
I have a cute puppy in my car. Come and see it.
No. I do not go with strangers.
It is okay. Your mom said it is fine.
No, it is not true. I will not go.
Nope.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
A stranger is talking to me. Come here, Leo. Stay with me. Please go away. Leave my son alone. You said no. You ran to me. I am so proud of you.
He said he had a puppy, but I did not believe him.
A stranger can tell a lie. Never go with a stranger. Rule 1. Never go with a stranger.
Rule 2, say no in a big voice.
Rule 3. Run to a grown-up you trust.
Grandma is coming to visit.
Someone is at the door. But I am alone. Please open the door.
Leo, I am in the garden. I will hang the clothes.
Okay, Mom. I will read my book.
Ding dong. Someone is at the door. Who is it?
Hello? I am a friend of your dad. Please open the door.
But I do not know you.
Open the door. I will wait inside.
No, I do not open the door for strangers. Please wait. I will get my mom. Mom, a man is at the door. I do not know him.
Good job, Leo. You did not open the door. Stay behind me. Hello? Can I help you?
Oh,
Wrong house.
sorry.
He is gone now. You are safe. Never open the door to a stranger.
Rule 1, never open the door to a stranger.
Rule 2, do not say you are alone.
Rule 3, find a grown-up you trust. I love this game. It is so much fun. A new message. Who is it? Hello? Do you want to be friends? What is your name? Where do you live? Send me a photo. I do not know this person. No, I do not share my name online. I do not talk to strangers.
Dad.
Dad, a stranger sent me a message. He wants my name and a photo.
You did the right thing, Leo. Never talk to strangers online.
We do not share our name, our photo, or our home. I will block him.
I am glad I told you, Dad.
Rule 1, never share your name or home online. Rule 2.
Never send photos to strangers.
Rule 3.
Well done, Leo. Come, Grandma is here to visit.
Yay, Grandma!